Hello, today we will guide you through how to build and sell Lovable websites to local businesses. To begin, open Lovable and go to the dashboard or home screen. This is where the process starts, and it's the main workspace you'll use to generate your website concept. Once you arrive on the home page, take a moment to make sure you're in the right place and ready to enter your instructions. The dashboard is designed to help you turn a simple idea into a working website quickly, so this first screen is your launch point for the entire workflow. Next, click into the prompt field and enter, or paste, a sample prompt about building and selling Lovable websites to local businesses. This prompt is important because it tells the platform what kind of site you want to create and what audience it should be aimed at. The clearer your prompt is, the more useful the output will be. As you type or paste your request, try to make sure the wording reflects the goal of creating a website that would appeal to local business owners. This gives the tool better context and helps it produce a more relevant result. If you already prepared your prompt in advance, pasting it in can save time and help you avoid mistakes. If not, just type it directly into the field carefully and review it before moving on. Once your prompt is in place and everything looks correct, press Enter to submit it. This sends your request to Lovable and starts the generation process. After you press Enter, give the platform a moment to respond. Depending on the complexity of the prompt and the speed of the system, it may take a few seconds for the next result to appear. During this stage, the tool begins interpreting your request and building out an initial version based on the instructions you provided. That's the core setup process. You've opened Lovable, provided a targeted prompt, and submitted it to begin generating a website concept focused on local businesses. As a general tip, always double-check your prompt before submitting, since even small wording changes can affect the final result. Keeping your instructions simple, specific, and aligned with your business goal can make the generated website more useful from the start. Thanks for following along. You're now ready to use Lovable to kick off the creation process for websites you can position and sell to local businesses.